fucking terrible service.
Hi, thanks for calling. All customer service representatives are busy at the moment. A live customer service representative will be with you shortly.
How many people need this dig vacuum?
Oh, this is sexy music. Listen to this shit.
Is this on?
This is awesome. Sean, will you make your status something?
Sorry, all customer service representatives
Sean,
are busy at the moment.
What?
A live customer service.
will you make your status something about me calling a dick fat commercial?
Yeah.
Thank you. This is sexy music. You can't laugh.
I won't.
Sean, don't laugh because they can hear you, okay?
I won't.
I'm sorry, all customer service
What the
representatives
fuck?
are busy at the moment.
It
A
will.
live customer